Okay, now we're going to put some magnets in these holes here, and what I done, I put me a little blue tape on them and I set them in the side I think they need. And the other one, I put them down in the hose, and they should, if they're not the right way, they'll flip over. If they don't fall out, you know they're the right way. So what we're going to do is, I've got some J-B Weld here. We'll mix some up. Okay, these here, be sure when you lift the tape up, keep them the same orientation, because if you don't, you'll reverse the polarity. Right, it should be dry. Yeah, they're dry. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah. Works great. Might do a little. I cut me a little piece of plexiglass out. It's 90 thousandths thick for the centerpiece, so where the bit goes in between, so that way I can kind of see, you know, what it's doing. This piece of white tube here, you can look in your plumbing fixtures. This goes down like to extend for a sink. I found out that it fit my shop. Now this is one of the little 1 1/4 inch shop vacs, but I found it fit the hose good, and it's loose, so that way it's not getting in a bind. It lets the hose spin around. So, you know, I'm not using my big shop vac on this one yet. I was just experimenting. I think this little one will suffice for this right now. Okay, just found one flaw in this. The screw back here is sticking up, and it hit it, and it got it into the router bit, chewed it up some. Gotta watch when you got your hold downs and everything. As long as your hold downs is clearing this, it seems to be working pretty good.